Man ako mga grab, manakay na po ni og cruise. Mga tumila tears of cruise. And again, that's Eiffel Tower behind us. So kayo, lami kaya combination sa kuhan sa crab o narin kay background kay anak na view. And you've got good friends like Luis, Jen, and Angie. Best couple, perfect.
Still eating.
Can't wait for the next show. So.